Dear students, myself Ravinder PGT Mathematics in Kendriya Vidyalaya Paradip Port. In this video, we will discuss about general things of matrices of chapter number 3. So first of all, I would like to start definition of matrix. So a matrix is an ordered rectangular array. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of number or function of numbers or functions. The number or functions are called of numbers and functions, and these numbers, the numbers or functions are called elements or the entries of matrix. Clear? In generally, matrix is denoted by capital letters. The matrix is denoted by capital letters. For example, let A be the matrix. I would like to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the matrix. Here horizontal lines, these are horizontal lines. So these horizontal lines represent rows and these are vertical lines. These vertical lines are known as column. So first we write rows in this matrix. How many rows? 2 rows. And how many column? 3 column. So 2 cross 3. This 2 cross 3 is the order of a matrix. A matrix is denoted by a matrix Aij M cross N. Means order of matrix is M cross N. M cross N is the order of matrix in which M represent number of rows and N represent number of column. Clear? First represent row and second represent column. And this Aij, this I, value of I is 1 less than equal to I less than equal to M. Means I varies as according to rows. And this J varies according to column. Clear? Now depends upon entries, depends upon number of rows, number of columns. There are many types of a matrix. The types of matrix. First is row matrix. As its name indicate, a matrix having only one row. A matrix having only one row means there is a restriction on row. There is no restriction on column. For example, A matrix is 1. This is 1 cross 1. This is also a row matrix. B matrix is 1 2. This matrix is 1 cross 2. This is also a row matrix. C 1 2 dash dash n. So 1 cross n. This is also a row matrix. Means as its name indicates. Second, column matrix. A matrix having only a matrix having only one column. जिस मैट्रिक्स में केवल एक ही कॉलम हो, there is no restriction on rows. This is also a column matrix. B. This is also a column matrix. Order of this matrix is 2 cross 1. C. This is also a column matrix. This is n cross 1. Clear? Next, third one is rectangular matrix. As its name indicate, rectangle. A matrix A equals to Aij m cross n is said to be rectangular if m is not equal to n. Means number of row, that is number of rows are not equal to number of column. Clear? This is a rectangular matrix 1 5 7 2 3 9, because number of rows is not equal to number of column. Clear? Next is square matrix. As its name indicate, a matrix A equals to Aij m cross n is said to be square. Square matrix if number of rows is equal to number of column, that is m equals to n. So square matrix having order 1 cross 1, square matrix having order 2 cross 2, square matrix having order 3 cross 3. Means number of rows are equal to number of a column. Next one is diagonal matrix. Third one. Sorry. This is fifth one. Diagonal matrix. As its name indicate, diagonal element. Diagonal matrix क्या होगी? It is a part of square matrix. A square matrix B, Bij m cross m is said to be diagonal if all elements except diagonal elements are 0. That is Bij equals to 0 if I is not equal to j. So this is diagonal matrix. For example, square matrix 2 cross 2 is 1 0 2, sorry, 0 2. So this is a diagonal matrix. B minus 1 0 0 0 7 0 0 0 5. This is a diagonal matrix. Clear? इस मैट्रिक्स को हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं, ए मैट्रिक्स इज डायगोनल ऑफ 1 2. B matrix is diagonal of -1 comma 7 comma 5, means it's indicate it has only diagonal elements. Scalar matrix 6 1, scalar matrix, it is also a part of diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be scalar. Diagonal matrix is said to be scalar if its diagonal element if its diagonal elements are equal. यदि इसके diagonal elements equal होंगे, means in other form we can say that B, let B Bij M cross N is said to be diagonal if Bij equals to 0 if I is not equal to j, and Bij equals to k if I equals to j, where k is some constant. Clear? In more compact form, seventh, identity matrix. Identity matrix is also a subpart of diagonal matrix and also a subpart of a scalar matrix. The difference between identity matrix and scalar matrix is identity matrix all are scalar matrix, but all scalar matrix need not to be identity matrix. Means a diagonal matrix is said to be identity matrix if all diagonal element are equal to 1. सभी diagonal elements क्या हो, equal to 1 हो. For example, if we take 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 3 cross 3, so we can write I is I3. I for identity matrix and 3 stands for 3 cross 3 matrix. Clear? Next is zero matrix. As its name indicate, a matrix is said to be zero matrix if all elements are zero. सभी elements zero. For example, it is denoted by capital O 0 0 0 0. This is zero matrix. 0 0 0 0. This is also a zero matrix. Clear? Next is equal matrix. Equality of matrix means equal matrix. Two matrix A and B are said to be equal if order of both matrices are equal and also corresponding elements are also equal. Clear? It is necessary that both matrix have same order and corresponding elements are also equal. जिस तरह For example, A matrix 1 2 2 1. So B matrix is equal to A matrix if 1 2 2 1. Order of both matrix are equal, and corresponding element means first element first k equal, second element second k equal, third element third k equal. Clear? If I would like to construct a matrix 3 cross 3, so this is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is 3 cross 3 matrix. A11, A11 stands for first row and first column. A23 means first represent row and second represent column. Second row and third column. So first we second row and third column, 1 2 3 third column. So A23 is this. Similarly, A33 stands for third row and third column. Means first Aij, so I represent number of rows up to 1 to number of rows, and second J represent number of a column. Clear? Next one, addition of two matrices. Operation of matrices. Operation on matrices. So first is addition. For addition, first primary condition is both matrices have same order. If we would like to add two matrices, so addition of two matrices, first condition is both matrix, two or more matrices matrices have same order. If two matrices have same order, then we can add the matrix. For example, A matrix is 1 2 1 2 3 5. B matrix is 0 1 5 7 2 9 2 1 3. So this matrix is 2 cross 3. This matrix is 3 cross 3. So we cannot add. A plus B is not defined. Clear? If A matrix is 1 2 3 5, B matrix is 0 1 1 2. So this is 2 cross 2 matrix, this is 2 cross 2 matrix. So we can add these two matrices. A plus B is corresponding elements A11 plus A11. So 1 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 1 4 5 plus 2 7. Clear? Next is multiplication of matrix by a scalar. Multiplication of matrix by a scalar. If we have a B matrix 1 2 5 7 9 3, if we would like to find 2k, means we have to multiply 2b, 2b. So we have multiply to all elements, means first row is multiplied by 2. So 2 4 10. Second row is also multiplied by 2 4 18 6. So this is 2b matrix. Clear? Next one is negative of a matrix. Or negation. if we have a C matrix is 1 2 5 7 3 9, we would like to minus C. Minus C means minus of this matrix 1 2 5 7 3 9. So C matrix we have to multiply minus by each element, minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 minus 3 minus 9. So by this property, if we would like to subtract two matrix, A matrix is 1 0 1 2 1 3, B matrix is 0 minus 1 2 2 minus 3 5 7 1 3. Sorry, this. So this is 2 cross 3 matrix. This is also 2 cross 3 matrix. We would like to A minus B. Means we can write A plus of A minus B. So A matrix is 1 0 1 2 1 3, and plus minus B matrix is we multiply by this matrix minus 0 1 minus 2 minus 2 3 minus 5. Then we have to add corresponding term. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2 0, 1 3 4, 3 minus 5 minus 2. Clear? Then properties of matrix. Properties of matrix. In properties of matrix, commutative law. In addition, first commutative law. Matrix addition is commutative. Commutative means A plus B equals to B plus A. Let me take A equals to Aij, B equals to Bij. So A plus B is Aij plus Bij. We can write it as Bij plus Aij. So this is B plus A. It is also associative. ये associative भी होगा. A associative means A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. Matrix addition obeys associative law. Existence of additive identity. Additive identity means ए मैट्रिक्स में ऐसा क्या ऐड करें कि वही मैट्रिक्स बन जाए. तो जीरो मैट्रिक्स इज द एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी इन एडिशन. जीरो मैट्रिक्स इज एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. क्लियर? Fourth one is existence of additive inverse. ए मैट्रिक्स में ऐसा क्या ऐड करें कि वो जीरो मैट्रिक्स आ जाए. तो existence of additive inverse of A matrix is that is of a minus A. Clear? Some scalar property. If A and B are any matrix, L and M are scalar, then matrix obeys rule. Next one is K of A plus B. We can write it as Ka plus Kb. For example, A matrix is 1 0 0 1, B matrix is 2 1 2 3. Clear? If we find A plus B, A plus B is 3 1 2 4. Then we find 2 into A plus B. 2 into A plus B is 6 2 4 8. First of all, we find 2A. 2A is 2002. Then we find 2B. 2B is 4246. Then we find 2A plus 2B. The result will be 6248, which is left hand side. Clear? Next one is K plus LA equals to KA plus LA. Clear? So these are the some properties which are satisfied by matrices. Clear? Next one, most important, multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. For multiplication is defined. Multiplication is defined only when number of column of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. If we would like to multiply two matrix, so first of all we have to check number of rows are equal to number of column. If A matrix Aij equals to M cross N, B matrix is Bij equals to P cross Q. AB is defined if then resultant of A cross B is number of column of first matrix equals to number of rows of second matrix. If AB is defined, then N equals to P. N equals to PO. And resultant matrix will be this. This resultant matrix of order M cross Q. Clear? If BA is defined, BA is first matrix, then BA's first matrix is Q equals to row of second matrix, Q equals to M, and resultant will be P cross N. Clear? Let me take one example for multiplication. Let A matrix is 1 0 1 2 1 7. B matrix is 1 2 2 1 3 2. This is 2 cross 3 matrix. This is 3 cross 2 matrix. So number of rows equal to number of column. First number of column equals to number of rows equal. So resultant matrix will be 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 means we have A11, A12, A21, A22. Clear? So A11 elements. First row, first column. This is first row and this is first column. Multiply corresponding elements and adding. 1 is multiplied by 1. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 3. So resultant will be 1 plus 0 plus 3, that is 4. A12. A12 means first row and second column. Clear? So 1 is multiplied by 2. 1 into 2 plus 0 is multiplied by 1 and 1 is plus 1 is multiplied by 2. So 1 into 2, 2 plus 0 plus 2, that is also 4. Then A21. A21 will be second row first column. So 1 is multiplied by 2. 1 into 2 plus 1 is multiplied by 2. 1 into 2 plus 7 is multiplied by 3. 7 into 3. So 2 plus 2 plus 21, that is 25. A22. A22 is second row second column. So 2 is multiplied by 2. 1 is multiplied by 1 and 7 plus 7 is multiplied by 2. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 plus 14, that is 19. The result will be 4, 4, 25 and 19. This is 2 crosses, 2 matrix. Like in this way, we have to multiply the 2 matrix. For multiplication, first of all, we have to check the number of column of first matrix equals to number of rows of a second matrix. Clear? Product of two matrix may be commutative. Generally, product of a two matrix may or may not be commutative. मीन्स ए बी इक्वल्स टू बी ए हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन अबो एग्जाम्पल इफ वी वुड लाइक टू फाइंड बी ए, तो ऑर्डर ऑफ बी ए मैट्रिक्स इज बी ए. ऑर्डर ऑफ बी ए मैट्रिक्स इज 3 क्रॉस 3, तो ए बी इज नॉट इक्वल टू बी ए इन अबो एग्जाम्पल. But in some case it may be possible. Some case it is commutative. So in generally we cannot say that it is commutative or non-commutative. So it depends upon the two matrix. If we take example, AB is 1 0 0 3, B matrix is minus 1 0 0 5, AB's first row first column is minus 1, first row second column 0, second row first column 0, second row second column is 15. BA is first row first column minus 1, first row second column 0, second row first column 0, second row second column. So in this case AB equals to B. So it may be commutative, may be non-commutative. So by definite way we cannot say that it is commutative or not commutative. It depends upon the matrix, or generally we can say that product of two matrices is not commutative, but it depends upon the matrices. Clear? Next important, note it, zero matrix as the product of a product of two non-zero matrix. Means in other words we can say that the product of two non-zero matrix is also ए जीरो मैट्रिक्स। दो नॉन जीरो मैट्रिक्स का प्रोडक्ट भी जीरो मैट्रिक्स हो सकता है, ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है। इफ ए बी इक्वल्स टू जीरो, ए बी इक्वल्स टू जीरो, देन it is not necessary that either a0 or b0. Clear? For example, a matrix is 0 minus 1 0 2, b matrix is 3 5 0 0. तो a b is first row first column 0, first row second column 0, second row first column 0, second row second column 0. From this we can say that product of two non-zero matrix is also a zero matrix, or if the product of two matrix is zero, then it is not necessary that any one of matrix is zero. So matrix multiplication is matrix multiplication is associative and also distributive. जो मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो एसोसिएटिव भी है और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव भी है। क्लियर? Existence of a multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means ai equals to ia equals to a. Identity, multiplicative identity is also exist. Clear? Next one is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. A matrix, if a equals to aij, b an m cross n matrix, if a equals to aij b a m cross n matrix, then matrix obtained by interchanging rows and column is called the transpose of matrix A. Clear? Means A transpose will be AJI n cross m. If we have A matrix 1 2 3, then A transpose is 1 2 3. Row are changed into column. Again we take transpose, then this matrix is 1 2 3, or which is A matrix. Clear? Then properties of transpose of a matrix. So first is A transpose of transpose equals to A matrix. Clear? Second is, if K is any scalar, then K of A transpose. Third is, A plus B transpose equals to, we can take individually transpose. And fourth is, AB transpose equals to B transpose A transpose. In case of transpose, multiplication of transpose, then this is AB transpose. Clear? For example, fourth, if A matrix is 1, 2, 3, B matrix is 1 minus 1 minus 2, then AB is first row first column. This is 3 cross 1 matrix, this is 1 cross 3 matrix. Clear? First row first column 1, first row second column minus 1 minus 2, second 2 minus 2 4, third 3 minus 3 minus 6. AB transpose is AB transpose is what? This is 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 3 minus 6. Let me take A transpose. A transpose is 1, 2, 3. B transpose is 1 minus 1 minus 2. Then B transpose A transpose is first row first column. So 1, 2, 3. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Then minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, which is AB transpose. Clear? So in case of transpose, we multiply reverse. Next one is important, symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. A square matrix. A equals to Aij is said to be symmetric if A transpose equals to A, which is that is square symmetric matrix. For example, A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 2 minus 1, 7, 3, 7, 5. So its transpose is 1, 2, 3, 2 minus 1, 7, 3, 7, 5, which is equal to A. So this is symmetric matrix. Clear? Next one is skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A equals to Aij is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose equals to minus A. For example, A matrix is 0 minus 5 minus 7, 5 0 6, then minus 7 minus 6 0, sorry, plus 7. A transpose is 0 minus 7 minus 5 minus 7, this is 5 0 6, 7 minus 6 0. If we take minus common, then which is equal to minus. Means in other words we can say that A transpose equals to minus A, means Aij transpose equals to minus of Aij. So A transpose is Aji equals to minus of Aij. Clear? For all possible values of I. If I equals to j, then ai equals to minus of aii. We take left hand side, 2aii equals to 0, that implies aii equals to 0. Means in skew symmetric matrix diagonal elements are 0. स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स में क्या होंगे, डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स 0 होंगे. क्लियर. लेट मी टेक वन एग्जांपल. A matrices of 3 cross 3 matrix minus 1 2 1 1 3 7 2 5 6. Clear. Its transpose is minus 1 2 1 1 3 7 and 2 5 6. A plus A transpose is 0, sorry, minus 2 3 3 3 6 12 3 12 12. Clear. Let this is C matrix, then C transpose is minus 2 3 3 3 6 12 3 12 12, which is equal to C. Means we can say that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Clear. Next, let D matrix is A minus A dash. A minus A transpose is 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 2. This is 1, this is minus 2 0. Clear. Let D transpose is 0 D transpose is 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 2 1 minus 2 0. Let me take minus common. So this is 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 2 1 minus 2 0, which is D matrix. So D transpose equals to minus D. If D transpose equals to minus D means A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Clear. So from these two conclusion we can say that any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Clear. Because we can say that A matrix is written as 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose, where A plus A transpose is a symmetric part and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric part. Clear. Next one is elementary transformation. Elementary transformation means either we have to use either only row transformation or column transformation. Clear? First, if we use Ri this, that implies ith row is interchanged by jth row, or similarly Ci Cj. Clear? Second, if we multiply Ri tends to Kri or Ci tends to Kci, that implies ith row or column is multiplied by स्केलर k. स्केलर k से मल्टीप्लाई की जाती है. ठीक है. थर्ड, इफ वी यूज Ri टेंस टू Ri प्लस k Rj और Ci tends to Ci plus k Cj, it means that implies in ith row the sum of scalar multiplication by k with jth row and ith row. Clear? Means first we multiply jth row by k and add with ith row. Clear? Next is invertible matrix. These are some operations which we have to use. Invertible matrix. As we know that in common sense 2 is multiplied by 1 by 2, result is 1, where 1 by 2 is the inverse of a 2 in multiplication. Similarly, AB equals to BA equals to I means B is the inverse of A or A is the inverse of a B matrix. Clear? That is denoted by A inverse equals to B. If multiplication of two matrices is identity matrix, then these two matrices are the inverse of each other. Clear? Next, the inverse of a matrix is unique. Inverse of a matrix is unique. Means a matrix has only one inverse, not more than one inverse. Next theorem is, if A and B are invertible matrix, of same order, then AB inverse equals to B inverse A inverse, like transpose. So for proof, as we know that matrix multiplication of two matrices is identity matrix, so AB and its inverse is AB inverse equals to identity per A multiply by A inverse. A inverse. If we pre-multiply by A inverse, then A inverse AB into AB inverse equals to A inverse I. That implies A inverse AB, AB inverse equals to A inverse. A inverse A is I. That implies IB into AB inverse equals to A inverse. IB is B. So B into AB inverse equals to A inverse. Again pre-multiply by B inverse. So B inverse, that is AB. B inverse B, AB inverse equals to B inverse. This is B inverse. A inverse pre-multiply means पहले. This is I. So IAB inverse equals to B inverse A inverse. That implies AB inverse equals to B inverse A inverse. Clear? Next one is last. Inverse of a matrix by elementary operation. Inverse of a matrix by elementary operation. Elementary means we have to either multiply either using A inverse or using either using row operation or using column operation. Okay. If we have x equals to AB, if we change x, if we change X matrix into identity matrix, by using elementary operation on both side, then I equals to AB, whatever may be changed, I equals to AB means we can write A inverse equals to I. If AB equals to I, so we can say that A inverse equals to B. Clear? So similarly, if we use row operation, A matrix can be written as IA by using row operation. On both side, then A is changed into I, this is B, this is A. So from this we can say that A inverse equals to B. If we use column operation, or in other way, pre-multiplying A equals to IA, pre-multiplying by A inverse, then A inverse A equals to A inverse IA. So A inverse A equals to I, that is A inverse A. So from these two we can say that A inverse equals to A. Clear? Similarly in column operation, if we use column operation, then we can write A equals to AI. And we have to tendency to change A matrix into identity matrix, then required result, in required result one is the inverse of other. Clear? Remarks. After applying one or more operation, elementary, row or column operation, on A equals to IA or AI, if we obtain all zeros in one or more rows or column of the matrix, then A inverse does not exist. तब A inverse क्या करेगा? Exist नहीं करेगा. For example, if we change matrix, then we can obtain like that. तो A inverse does not exist. Clear? So these are the basic things of chapter 3. If you study or learn these basic things deeply, then there is no difficulty of doing this chapter. So please learn and remember and write these things again and again, so that you can get 10 marks from chapter 3 and 4. Okay, thank you.